Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. These are top 5 Makita tools that you didn't know existed. Number 5 is Makita Coffee Maker. The new cordless coffee maker is ideal for those that desire coffee on the job site. No paper filters are needed, just your favorite ground coffee or single-serve pack, water, and a Makita lithium-ion battery. The coffee maker comes with a measuring spoon, removable tank, and a Makita coffee mug with lid. Brew up to 3 5-ounce cups of coffee on a single charge of an 18 volts LXT 5 amp hour battery. Number 4 is Makita Wheelbarrow. Brushless power-assisted wheelbarrow is a convenient solution for material transport on job sites. You can use 1 or 2 Makita 18 volts LXT batteries. For longer run time, drop in a second LXT battery and double the run time. It has 2 speed settings, with a maximum speed of 2.5 miles per hour on a 12-degree incline. Makita Bluetooth speaker is equipped with Bluetooth to wirelessly connect to mobile devices. In addition, it has 1 auxiliary port for MP3 compatibility and 1 USB port for charging mobile devices. For maximum versatility, it can be powered by Makita 12 or 18 volts lithium-ion batteries, or with the AC adapter jack. For improved operation in harsh job site conditions, the speaker features water and dust-resistant construction, with protective bumpers for added durability. Number 2 is Makita Cooler Warmer. The AC Cooler Warmer is ideal for use on the job site or on the road. The Cooler Warmer has 4 cooling modes capable of holding constant temperatures of 15, 30, 40 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a total capacity of 20 liters. And the number 1 is Makita Microwave. The Makita Microwave is an ideal addition to any job site, outdoor activity, or wherever food on the go is needed. The microwave features 2-mode power output levels at 350 watts and 500 watts. The microwave is ideal for transportation with a built-in carrying handle and space-saving design at 1.5 cubic feet. It features a durable water-resistant design, dust-resistant inlet port, and tempered glass door. Which one is your favorite Makita tool? Write down in comments below. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.